Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find blocked numbers on your iPhone. So let's get into this. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you find Apps drawer and tap on it. Here you'll see a long list of all the apps installed on your device. Now scroll down alphabetically until you find Phone, then tap on it. Inside the phone settings, keep scrolling until you see the option called Blocked Contacts. Go ahead and tap on that. As soon as you open it, you'll see the full list of numbers and contacts that you've blocked on your iPhone. This includes phone numbers and sometimes emails as well. From here, you can simply scroll through the list and review all the blocked contacts. If you decide you want to unblock someone, it's very simple. Just tap Edit in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap the red minus icon next to the contact or number you want to unblock, and then press Unblock. Once you do that, that person will be able to call or message you again like normal. And that's basically how you can find and manage blocked numbers on your iPhone. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.